Okay, I've just finished off a busy afternoon building. I had quite a bizarre request from one of my friends, Simon Milnes, and he's asked if I could convert a China doll into an EMF and static bear. It's actually an idea inspired by Alistair from Walking from Ghosts. So I've approached him. He says he's happy for me to build a couple of these just for personal use, but if you want to buy one of these dolls, go over to Alistair's site. It's Funky Lighting, and you'll see them for sale there. So obviously we've got a wide range of ghost hunting bears herself at infraready.co.uk. So I'll just show you how the freaky doll works. So we can switch the doll on, so you'll see the EMF activate. So if we just get the EM pump, you'll see the doll light up accordingly, and the eyes, so the static are for the eyes. Alistair's dolls have blue eyes, so they look really freaky like. Obviously you can put some more makeup on if you want it to look more unnatural. Oh, there's static trigger. So the static's balanced at the minute, but we've put the red and the green LEDs and their eyes. Oh, there we go. So the red's fading out, so there's more of a positive static charge now. So that come just right for the demonstration. So Infraready tape. I'll just pull that off, and then you can see the positive and negative charge. Let's move this out of the way. Been quite a mess today. Been building quite a lot of equipment, spirit box kits, doing quite a lot of YouTube demos. So if you visit our YouTube site, just pop over there and subscribe. Thank you.